Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through troubleshooting common issues with the media player in Windows 11 using the Get Help application. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Get Help. Select the Get Help application from the search results. Once the application has loaded, you can directly ask a question in the provided field. For example, you could type, how to play a video in Media Player, or any other query you have related to the Media Player. Press Enter to submit your query. Please note that the Get Help application may take some time to load and process the results. After the results appear, you can select the most relevant option to navigate to a detailed help page for further information. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.